Hi guys, I'm working on art and I keep on clearing my throat. Um, so there's my pins you see, and I wanted to update you on the very extensive work that I'm working on. It's this drawing here. Um, I want to fill that whole page with colors. I'm using Sharpie markers, you know, the fine point tipped ones, and different brands, Artist Loft, Bic. So I'm just gonna, like I said, I'm just gonna fill out that whole area here with more tiny little colors and shapes and stuff, and it's gonna be pretty cool. And I want to scan it in and turn it into, like, just, you know, different different versions and different selections from different areas of this piece here, and make them artworks unto themselves. And there you go. So here I am. Boy, I have that light shining on me and it's kind of annoying, but I guess it's dark in here, so that light automatically turns on. Hi. Talk to you later. Bye.